Who set up Constitution Committee for India? Obvious answer is Britishers. But according to Cabinet Mission Plan of 1946, it was decided to set up Constitution Committee for India. Who was Vice Chairman of Constitution Committee? Mr. H.C. Mukherjee is named of Vice President or Vice Chairman of this Constitution Committee. What was composition of new Constitution Committee? As we discussed, that 299 was strength, 229 were from the provincial territory, and 70 were from the princely states. Who was second president or chairman of this Constitution Committee? So on 11 December 1946, Dr. Rajendra Prasad was elected as chairman of this Constitution Committee. So Dr. Sachidananda Sinha was based on age, only we can say temporary, but by election, Dr. Rajendra Prasad worked as chairperson or chairman of this Constitution Committee. Why the strength of Constitution Committee was reduced? The thing is that when Constitution Committee was set up, it was set up in December 1946. At that time, there was no nation named as Pakistan was in existence. But after that, with Mountbatten Plan, partition of India was carried out. And then, as Pakistan was declared, the members of that territory were reduced. And so, strength of Constitution Committee member reduced from 389 to 299. I am revising, strength reduced from 389 to 299. Who was first chairperson or president of Constitution Committee? So when meeting, first session was conducted on 9 December 1946, the chairperson was elected as Dr. Sachidananda Sinha based on his age. So the eldest person in this Constitution Committee was elected as provisional president of this Constitution Committee. What was the composition of Constitution Committee? Total 389 members were there in Constitution Committee. Out of that, 292 were representing out provinces, whereas states, that means princely states, they were having 93. The chief commissioner provinces, they were having 3, and Balochistan having 1 representative at that time. Who was constitutional advisor of this Constitution Committee? So answer is Sir B.N. Rao, RAU, was appointed as constitutional advisor of this Constitution Committee. When the Constitution Committee was having its first session, so first session of Constitution Committee was carried out or conducted on 9th December 1946. What was the structure of this Constitution Committee? So total 22 committees were there in this Constitution Committee. The reports submitted by these all 22 committees, and based on that, a draft was prepared by drafting committee. So whatever the reports were submitted by all these 22 committees, then the draft was prepared by this drafting committee, which was consisting of total 7 members and chairmanship of the great educated Indian, we can say, framer of the Constitution, Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. What is the role of Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar in the Constitution Committee? Constitution Committee was working with total 22 committees. Out of that, 1 was drafting committee. So whatever the reports were presented by these all committees, based on that, a draft was prepared Drafting committee was having total 7 members. Chairmanship of that drafting committee was there with Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. Drafting committee was having total 7 members. Chairmanship of that drafting committee was there with Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar. I'm reading out names of all these persons. So, Chairman Dr. Babasaheb Ambedkar or Dr. B.R. Ambedkar. Members: N. Gopalswamy Iyengar, Alladi Krishnaswamy Iyer, K. M. Munshi, Mohammad Sadullah, B. L. Mittar, but B. L. Mittar is replaced by N. Madhava Rao because B. L. Mittar was having some health issues, so he resigned. Dr. D. P. Khetan, but unfortunately he expired, he died on 1948 and was replaced by T. T. Krishnamachari. Maybe possible my pronunciations, because I am reading up from Roman, pronunciation may not be perfect.